Fuck no.
I heard all about you.
Never.
You know they told me what your nickname was.
Yeah, Spanky.
Nah,
What's your name,
Nah, it
nigga?
wasn't Spanky.
Nigga, you related to
It was
Buster
Spanky.
Johnson,
Hey,
nigga.
I heard all this.
His name was in jail, lady.
Yeah. Harry Bufalante.
You know what his was? White Cream.
No.
That nigga's name was White Cream in the joint. The Fed joint, they called that nigga White Cream.
You liar.
Yeah, they did.
Look,
That nigga wrote me a letter talking about
Your
good
name
cook.
is Spanky.
This the whole thing. When I was trying to find it.
Jean.
Then when I was trying to find it, this the whole thing.
You wanna hit this?
Yes.
You see how that boy ate that? You know that boy been to a Diddy party.
Nigga. Only nigga been to a Diddy party is your ass. With all that pink on. Why you think you got extras?
That's why you live out here, bro. You go to Diddy parties out here, bro.
Nigga, your teddy bears came
You
to
feel
see.
me?
Fuck that.
They don't want to see no nigga like you. That's
no
went
more.
down with Diddy. Go get that baby oil up out of there. That nigga go to puppy
fuck.
parties.
He clowning.
Hey, Uncle Buster, man. I know you don't know how to take this shit, but what does it feel like to have a son and go to Diddy parties?
How would I feel?
So how do you feel? Knowing that your son then went to puffy parties with Omarion and them. With them niggas from B2K.
Pop, you know this nigga perfect.
Got some shit in there for you.
This nigga was running
Did you
around.
tell your dad what you was doing?
Hey, Dad, back in the day, you was talking about Nilly Vanilli, whatever them niggas is.
He said blame it on the rain. That's how he know about that shit.
So I said, what's man? He said, bro, he brought lip singing into the industry. Him. So, he know exactly when the motherfucking
What you should have seen him when he was 5 years old. He's so bad.
I don't want to say that nigga.
Oh, we a ball.
He was 5, he looked like Lil Abner.
What he was. Dirty motherfucker.
That nigga.
This Michael Jackson after he got his nose done, y'all.
That's right. That's why he's straight good.
Uh-huh.
We a ball.
How many babies you want to have, man? Like, where the answer at?
Niggas on my hand. 0. I'm still have that.